Excel has been around for over 40 years and has a ton of useful features. Today, we're looking at 17 Excel features that you might not know about, and these simple features can save you time with every day. So let's get started. First, look at the ribbon. If you need more space to work in Excel, you can easily hide the ribbon. Simply double-click any ribbon tab, and the ribbon will disappear. This gives you more space to view your worksheet. To bring it back, simply double-click the ribbon tab again. Those small buttons on the ribbon may look simple, but they can open some very useful settings. For example, clicking the small button in the number section opens the Format Cells window, where you can change how your numbers are displayed. Another button can open the alignment settings, and you can also access font settings from the ribbon. There is also a Page Setup button, which is especially useful when you want to prepare your worksheet for printing. When you click Page Setup, Excel opens the Page Setup window. Here, you can adjust different printing options, such as the page orientation, paper size, margins, and how the worksheet will be printed. After making your changes, you can click OK to apply the settings. So instead of searching through different menus, these small ribbon buttons give you quick access to the settings you need. Next, let's look at the Quick Access toolbar. Some of the buttons you use most often are available on the Home tab, but sometimes you may frequently use a button that is located on another ribbon tab. Instead of going back and searching for that button every time, you can add it to the Quick Access toolbar. Simply find the button you use frequently, right-click it, and choose Add to Quick Access toolbar. The button will now appear in the Quick Access toolbar at the top of the Excel window. This means you can access it quickly, no matter which ribbon tab you're currently using. Next, let's look at a quick way to adjust the width of all your columns at once. Sometimes, when you work with data in Excel, some columns are too narrow and the information inside them is difficult to read. Instead of manually changing the width of every column, Excel can automatically fit them to the data. First, click the small button in the top left corner of the worksheet to select the entire sheet. Then move your mouse between two column headers, such as between column A and column B, until the cursor changes. Now simply double-click, and Excel will automatically adjust the width of all the columns based on the content inside them. Next, look at the fill handle. You can use it to quickly copy data or continue a sequence. Simply drag the fill handle down to fill the cells. But here's a useful trick. Instead of left-clicking, right-click and drag the fill handle. When you release it, Excel will show different autofill options. For example, you can choose Fill Series to continue a sequence of numbers. Long formulas can be difficult to read when they don't fully fit in the formula bar. To see the complete formula, move your mouse to the bottom edge of the formula bar until the cursor changes into a double arrow. Then click and drag it downward to expand the formula bar. This gives you more space to view and edit the entire formula. When you have a workbook with many sheets, finding a specific sheet can be difficult. Instead of scrolling through all the sheet tabs, you can right-click the sheet navigation buttons to open a list of all the sheets in your workbook. Simply select the sheet you need and click OK, and Excel will take you directly to that sheet. When you select a range of numbers in Excel, you can see useful statistics such as sum and average in the status bar at the bottom. You can also click one of these statistics to copy the value to your clipboard and then paste it directly into a cell. This is a quick way to check numbers without creating a formula. If you select a range of numbers and don't see useful statistics in the status bar, you can easily enable them. Simply right-click the status bar and choose the statistics you want, such as average, count, or sum. Once enabled, these statistics will appear automatically whenever you select numerical data. Next, look at the zoom feature. In the bottom right corner of Excel, you can see the current zoom percentage. Click on this percentage to open the zoom window. Here, you can choose a different zoom level, such as 75, 100, or 200%. Select the level you want and click OK. This makes it easier to view your worksheet at the size that works best for you. When working with a wide worksheet, you can adjust the size of the horizontal scroll bar to make navigation easier. You can make the scroll bar wider when you have many columns, or make it shorter when you want more space to see your sheet tabs. To restore the scroll bar to its original size, simply double-click the divider. The same trick also works at the top of Excel. You can make the name box wider and the formula bar smaller by dragging the divider between them. And when you want to restore them to their original sizes, just double-click the divider again. Next, look at a useful feature for Excel tables. When you apply a table style to data that already has formatting, the new style may not look right because the old formatting is still there. To fix this, go to Format as Table and choose the style you want. Instead of simply clicking the style, right-click it and select Apply and Clear Formatting. Excel will remove the existing formatting and apply the new table style, giving your table a cleaner and more consistent look. When writing formulas that reference a table, selecting an entire table column can be a little tricky. There's a simple shortcut for this. Hover your mouse over the top part of the table header until you see a down arrow. Then click it, and Excel will select the entire column in the table. This makes it much easier to create table references when writing formulas. Next, look at a useful pivot table feature for managing detailed information. First, add another field to the rows area of your pivot table. Once multiple fields are added, Excel shows expand and collapse options for the different levels of information. Instead of clicking the small expand or collapse button, you can simply double-click a cell in the pivot table. Double-clicking will expand a field and show more details, while double-clicking it again will collapse the field and hide those details. This is a quick and easy way to manage detailed information in a pivot table. Next, look at another useful pivot table feature called the Classic Pivot Table Layout. First, right-click anywhere inside the pivot table and open Pivot Table Options. Go to the Display tab and enable the Classic Pivot Table Layout option. Once you enable it, the pivot table will switch to the classic style, and you'll be able to work with the fields more directly. Now, from the pivot table fields list on the right, you can select a field and drag it into different areas of the pivot table. For example, you can drag a field into the rows area to display it as row information, or move a field to the columns area to organize your data across columns.